Hello everyone, I'm After Sales Engineer of China YULONG. Now I'm in Shaanxi Province on site a customer. This customer bought a 10 to 12 ton per hour wood pellet production line from us. This is the workshop for pellet making. Raw material is fruitwood. Next, let me introduce the working process of the complete line. The first section is crushing section. We choose 65,120 wood chipper first. After crushing material, go through the closed belt conveyor tool, hydraulic silo for buffer storage. We choose a big set of posts dust collector for crushing section. Effectively reduces indoor dust and ensures the workshop is clean and tidy. The second section is fine grinding section. After crushing raw materials on a hydraulic silo go through oil cylinder to feeding screw conveyor. Then to hammer mill for fine grinding. After hammer mill raw material goes through air fire into the second hydraulic silo for bottle storage. The third section is drying section. After fine grinding raw materials in hydraulic silo through oil cylinder to close belt conveyor to rotary dryer for drying. The customer choose pellet burner to provide heat to dryer. After drying, raw material drilled to screw conveyor and through air fan to transport it to the third hydraulic silo. We set up to double cyclone for drying section. Ensure the environment of workshop keep clean and tidy. The fourth section is pelletizing section. Raw materials after drying through auto cylinder of hydraulic. Silo to screw conveyor, then go to scraper conveyor. Finally, go to the double shaft uniform silo. Raw material goes through double shaft uniform silo to each feeder of pellet machine, then go to pellet machine for pelletizing. This is the 8th generation of YULONG XG J850 pellet machine. Power supply is the 5 cool. Capacity is 3 to 4 ton per hour. Wood pellets go through the skirt belt conveyor to Z-type belt, conveyor to cooler for cooling down. The wood pellets produced have high density, high hardness, and smooth and beautiful appearance. The fifth section is cooling and packaging section. After cooling down, pellets go to the vibrating screener for separation, then go through the C-type conveyor to finished product silo. Packaging section use tongue bag packaging machine and another. Packaging machine for pack 20 to 40 kilograms per bag pellets. Each section of the line is equipped with a large scale pulse dust collector to ensure a clean and tidy workshop environment. That's all explanation for the complete line. Thank you for your time.